Here we have this beautiful glass cocktail shaker. It is sparkly glass with this beautiful basket woven finish and a rose gold finish on the top. But we're going to try it out. It's pretty to look at, that's for sure. But we're going to try it out and see if it makes a good mommy mocktail. So first we're going to take this off. It has a silicone gasket to keep everything in there. And we're going to add our ice right there. Our cherry syrup to make it pretty and sweet. And some sparkling water. Because mommy's got to stay sharp. So we're going to shake it up a little. Holding on with the sparkling water even. There we go. Gotta release that pressure. And let's pour it in to our glass. Let's see. The cap goes on and off pretty easily. No issues there. And it's a really good quality. I don't know if you can see just how thick the glass is. I mean, that's pretty thick glass. This is not going to break easily. The bottom's really heavy and thick as well. So if you want something pretty for mixing up your cocktails or your coffee that'll look very beautiful on your shelf, I highly recommend this shaker.